TTT short. No, it's not looking like it's breaking down yet. But it could be a short if it starts breaking like this trend line. It's low 420s. We could get a flush to the 50-day moving average. Looks at INO is gapping up a little bit. If it reclaims 23, I'm gonna cover the trade. Or actually, if it reclaims like 22, high 22s. I'm still short 47,000 shares of this thing. You know what? I'm gonna cover some right here, and I'll cover the rest if it stops me out. Yeah, I'm short BA. BA is the home run trade from yesterday. I'm still in full size. I haven't covered a single share. I still have my 15,000 shares. I think this thing could go to sub 150. Kodak looks like it's gapping up. I have mixed emotions about this one for obvious reasons. Like, if this thing starts taking out opening range lows out of the gate, there could be a trade there on the short side. Okay, this UAL is starting to break down. It's the airline stock. That's the weakest one of them. I shorted 60,000 shares of UAL. This thing is showing weakness compared to all the other airline stocks that I'm watching. I'm also watching SAVE and AAL. AAL looks also, look at this thing. This thing is gonna go down to like single digits if it starts breaking down. Oh shit, TDOC actually. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, it just happened right now. I think I'm gonna go long some TDOC. This is momentum growth leader. What's my stop? Okay, that's not too bad. Let's see here. I bought 7,000 shares. I'm gonna buy a couple of dozen more. Okay, I have 9,000 shares of TDOC now. Let's see. 2025. Like non-stop. Fastly? Yeah, this is, yeah. Workhorse. I need to buy that one. This one is really, this is a perfect looking high tide flag. I bought some pretty decent size on this thing. I bought 150,000 shares of Workhorse. Holy shit, so many things happening at once. Wait, did I get stopped out of INO? Yeah, it looks like I got stopped out of it. All right, I locked in smaller profit than I would have liked to, but it had some random news overnight. And it actually yesterday found support on the 50-day. IPHI, a semi-name, looking pretty decent. The report on Tuesday, so not interesting for me. Shui looks interesting, trying to break higher. D-Dog is having some follow through from yesterday. I have 25,000 shares. I bought late day. UAL is about to take out opening range lows. What's BA doing? Yeah, BA is weak. The whole airline related sector is really weak. Riot, my stop is on the breakout days lows. DAL is breaking lower. It's AAL. AAL is a bit stronger. Okay. The Qs held the lower end of this range perfectly. Let's see, IGV. IGV is now below the 20-day again. I don't like it. Below 10 and 20. I do not like that. That's a software ETF for those who you're wondering. Okay, save. I shorted 60,000 shares of this thing. Yeah, this Qullamaggie is having a nice little breakup. It's a very slow mover. It's not like a growth leader. And the earnings numbers, yeah, it was a big beat, but it's just not a fast grower. Let's see if Peloton can find support on the rising 20-day and 10-day moving averages. EPT is also violating its 10-day moving average. Yep, a lot of weakness. Okay, Riot, I'm out. Got stopped out of it. This thing never rallied like I wanted it to. Yeah, BE's, I think it's a totally broken chart. It had a big red solid candle below the 20 days. So I just sold it throughout the day. Every day it broke the lows of the previous 60-minute candle. I sold like 10,000 shares. So I sold everything. Totally broken chart. What's Shopify doing? Yeah, Shopify is now trying to find some support. AMD is holding up really well from yesterday's earnings. Yeah, Workhorse, let's see. I took a big loss on Workhorse. Pretty decent loss. 128k. The chart looks really great, but it's just the market the momentum is not here. Like, it hasn't been here for two weeks. Like, if we would have gotten this breakout 2 weeks ago, this thing would have gone to like 20 today. But the moment, just the violent buying is not here right now. Hasn't been in a while. Now Kodak is code. I should have done Candy. Why didn't I do Candy instead? Like, I had both of these were on watch, and I do the one that's not breaking down. Okay. Let's see if Tesla starts reclaiming VWAP, I'll just cover, take a small loss on the ads. It really needs to break the lows of the day. Lows of the day is exactly where or pretty much where the 20-day moving average is, and also the lows of this channel. Unless it breaks that, I'm not gonna do any big size on it. Oh, really, T-Doc? No, wait, what? So my stop on T-Doc was 219, and where did it trade? Oh, actually it traded into 217s. That's just bad luck. It's just had the annoying shakeout. Maybe I'll rebuy it. We'll see. DAL is a weak airline. Just keeps breaking lower. What's BA doing? BA is also weak. Yeah, I'm gonna go short more. Like, if AAL starts breaking down, I'm gonna short this thing. What's UAL doing? UAL I'm short already. Yeah, looks like it's gonna take out the lows of the day anytime, any second.